Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube animation using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the video I have generated using Canva, and you can create animation like this using Canva. If you want to create animation for your YouTube video, you can go to the Canva home and then you can use Canva AI, and then here you can choose video clip, but unfortunately it's not free guys. If you want to create video clip using Canva, you can subscribe to Canva, or you can generate video using Canva and you can use another AI such as Pixverse or VO. And for Pixverse it's free, but you cannot make it HD. So yeah, I recommend you to subscribe to Canva so you can generate any video clip that you want. And here you can choose the ratio, 60 by 9 ratio, and then you can choose the style here. And I'm going to choose for example this one, and dreamlike, and then the lighting you can choose it as well. I'm going to choose soft lighting, and for the framing I'm going to choose wide shot. And for the ratio, of course you need to choose this ratio for YouTube video, and then you can describe your idea and just send it to Canva, and Canva will generate a video for you and you will be able to upload it to your YouTube. Okay, now the video is being generated guys. Okay, now my video is ready guys, and this is the result. And then you can create scene by scene and you can compile it with Canva Video Editor and you can upload it to your YouTube. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create animated YouTube video with Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.